Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to kill a process using the kill command on Linux. First, use the type command to display all locations on your system containing kill. This output tells that the built-in shell has priority over the standalone executable and is used whenever you type kill. In this video, we will use the bash built-in. The kill command sends a signal to specified processes or process groups, causing them to act according to the signal. To get a list of all available signals, invoke the command with the following option. You can see all available signals that you can use. Now, to terminate or kill a process with the kill command, first, you need to find the process ID number, PID. For example, let's say the Firefox browser has become unresponsive, and you need to kill the Firefox process. To find the browser PIDs, use the following command. This command will print the IDs of all Firefox processes. Once you know the process numbers, you can kill them by sending the kill signal. Or instead of searching for PIDs and then killing the processes, you can combine the commands into one. Another common use case for killing is sending the HUP signal, which tells the processes to reload their settings. For example, to reload Nginx, you need to send a signal to the master process. We use the cat command to find the master PID. Once you found the master PID, reload the Nginx settings by typing the following command. Please note, the commands must be run as root or user with sudo privileges.